I've added some more rubrics to clipboard number 1 so that we've got something to repertorize. Now we could go straight to the repertorisation button and repertorize from here, or we could go into the clipboard itself and repertorize from there. And here's the results. So here you can see my 6 rubrics, and here's the results, the remedies coming through. So we can see that sulfur and phosphorus cover 6 of the 6, and leading on, obviously it gets less and less as we go through. The second green number here is the grade, so it's totaled the different grade number of each remedy and give you a total up here. That's a standard repertorisation. If I wanted to, I could add a filter. So I could say, well, let's look at a kingdom. Show me animal remedies in this case. So it's eliminated anything but animal remedies. Must cancel by pressing none every time you come out, unless you want to do an accumulative analysis. I'll show you that in a moment. Again, we've got the periodic table. Show me remedies on this line of the table. I won't go into them all. You can play around with this yourself. I particularly like the generals one, where you can say, okay, show me remedies that have an affinity for the right side of the body. And I said that you can accumulate, so you could say, show me remedies that have an affinity for the right side that are also thirsty. Now that's useful because sometimes you can find a rubric, but it's not always allocated to one side of the body. So using the filter helps with that. You can also change the way that the results are displayed in here. Again, I'll let you look at that. Then there's different strategies up here. You can use a weighted strategy, which is where you make one rubric more important, you give it more emphasis. You can use the expert system, which certain rubrics have been given more weight in a case. And then if you happen to analyze any of those rubrics, then they are upgraded and given more clout in the case. And then there's eliminating analysis, which is my favorite. So we click on this to set it, and then we go to the clipboard. And if we said, for example, that remorse was a key feature in this case, and you wouldn't be interested in any remedy outside of the remedies within the remorse rubric, then you can mark that one eliminating. And what you'll see is that this bigger rubric here gets cut down to 64 remedies.